Hello and welcome to this lecture. Today, we'll focus on something that is often overlooked but incredibly important, which is how to arrange our project files when working with Power BI. But before this, a question arises as why does this matter? As because our projects grow, and especially when we work in teams or revisit older dashboards, a well organized folder structure saves time, prevents error, and keeps our workflow efficient and stress free. So, the first thing that you should do is to create a dedicated folder for every project file, and this folder becomes our project workspace, and everything related to that report lives here. For example, in this, as I created a folder named as Power BI underscore sales dashboard underscore 2024. And inside that main folder, create structured subfolders, as here is a solid layout that you can start with. For example, we have created 5 subfolders inside our sales dashboard folder. The first one is the data source. This holds all our raw data, which are our Excel files, CSV files, database exports, etc. The second one may be Power BI files, and this is where our .pvix files live, and we can also keep backup versions over here. The third one is the exports subfolder. Here we should store PDF or PowerPoint exports for our reports for sharing with stakeholders. And next comes the image subfolder, and use this for logos, icons, or background graphics used in our report design. And finally, we can use the documentation subfolder, which contains the notes, the requirements, the meeting logs, and the future updates plan, etc. So, when working with long term or collaborative report, it's wise to implement a version control for our Power BI files. So instead of saving over the same file, you can use different version tags. For example, like sales dashboard underscore v1 dot pvix and underscore v2 dot pvix, or so on. And this lets you go back if needed and compare your progress over time. So, if you are working with versioning tools like the OneDrive, SharePoint, or Git, then it's even better. They also provide the auto versioning and cloud backups, which adds an extra layer of safety so that you can recall or you can go back and check the comparisons between files. Now, another key tip, as you don't move your source files around after connecting them to Power BI. So if you shift or rename file outside the Power BI, it breaks the data connection. So that's why keeping our data sources folder inside our project directory is a smart idea, and this will reduce the chances of your data loss. So that's why keeping our data source folder inside our project directory is a smart idea, and everything stays together, the Power BI can always find what it needs. So, this was an smart and a professional manner to maintain your Power BI files. And in our next lecture, we'll directly jump into our first demo project and see what data sources we are going to use in our first demo project. So, see you in the next lecture.